What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. Going to go to Sandbox. Probably the most massive news all year for Sand has just come out. So we're going to get into that. We're up 9% on the day. We're sitting at 296. A lot of bullish indicators as well for Sandbox. We're sitting at 3.33 billion. 24-hour volume, 921 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So banking giant HSBC buys virtual land in Sandbox. This is one of the biggest banks in the world, definitely in the UK and in North America, and they've just bought virtual land. So if you do not think that metaverse and cryptocurrency is the future, you must have moved in with Patrick Starr and living under a rock. So HSBC Bank announced its new partnership with the Sandbox to explore the metaverse domain. The partnership will enable the bank to purchase a plot of land in the Sandbox metaverse. The partnership intends to establish connections with sports, esports, and gaming enthusiasts across the world. Super exciting. The official announcement issued by the Sandbox describes the said partnership as a host of opportunities for virtual communities across the world to engage with the global financial services providers and sport communities in the Sandbox metaverse. So speaking about the HSBC partnership with the Sandbox, Sharice Balaji, Chief Marketing Officer, Asia Pacific HSBC, stated, "The metaverse is how people will experience Web3, the next generation of the internet. Using immersive technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and extended reality, through our partnership with the Sandbox, we are making our foray into the metaverse, allowing us to create innovative brand experiences for new and existing customers. We're excited to be working with our esports partners, brand ambassadors, and Animica brands," I'm not sure what that word is here, "to co-create experiences that are educational, exclusive, and accessible." I just quickly want to look up here, HSBC Bank countries. See how many countries that this bank is in here. HSBC has offices in 64 countries and territories across Africa, Asia, Oceania, Europe, North America, and South America, serving around 40 million customers. That's absolutely incredible. They're buying virtual land in Sandbox. Can you guys believe that? To me, it's a little bit mind-blowing. So let's jump into this analysis. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. I have noticed a falling wedge pattern. We had a bullish divergence, which has played out here. We are trending towards overbought, so do keep a close eye on that. I want to pop over to the daily. Sand has gone through a perfectly healthy ABC correction. We shot all the way up to the 2.272, and we've gone through an ABC. We've come all the way back down to the 1.618. So if we can hold this level of support, we have a lot of bullish indications, guys. We're creating lower lows. We're creating higher lows on the RSI, as well as money is flowing back into Sand, and we also have a small bullish divergence on the MACD, so we could see a huge breakout pretty soon here for Sandbox. That could take us all the way up to the 2.618 at about $16.28 if we see that last fifth impulsive wave, and we can take our Fibonacci from this swing high down to our swing low, and it lines up very close with the 1.618, which is coming in at about $18 for Sand. Now, of course, that is a long way away. We would have to get back above the EMAs. As you can see here, we're currently testing the 20 EMA as resistance. We would need to see a major breakout for Bitcoin to see this play out, but this is an early sign on the daily that the bears are running out of strength, and when these bullish divergences play out on the daily chart, it can lead to an absolutely huge breakout back to the upside. And if we pop over to the weekly time frame, we're back down towards the bottom section on the money flow, another indication that money could start flowing into Sandbox and shoot us right back up above the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame. So it does look like we've created a strong level of support. However, if we simply get rejected, we start to lose $2.70. I would target this swing low, which is coming in at about, let me give it a little price tag, $2.29. So if Bitcoin continues to sell off here, we just roll over, then do target that swing low, and we give a beautiful opportunity to see a massive bounce for Sandbox. But we could definitely see the breakout from this level. So hopefully that's what happens here. With our dollar cost average strategy, we've had 6 entries with our break even sitting at $4.53. So currently we're down on our trade here just about 33%, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time you get ready to ride the slingshot back up. Incredible method of trading for people who have busy lives. You have a job, you have a family, you can't stare at charts all day. You just set your buy limits and you go on about your day. When it pushes up above your break even, we look at our indicators and we look at our levels of resistance. We close 50% of our trade and we let the rest ride. So hopefully we can see a beautiful breakout with this bullish divergence. If we can get back above the EMAs, we do have quite a lot of resistance coming in at about $3.85. You can see we have previous level support, and now that will be flipped as resistance. And your technical target, which we have broken out of this falling wedge pattern, is coming in at about $3.38. And on the smaller time frame, guys, just watch our indicators. We are trending towards overbought, which can usually signal a move back down or some consolidation. So hopefully what we see here is a back test, and then we see continuation back to the upside where we consolidate and we continue to push up. Because if we roll over and we lose this low, your next strong level support is coming in here at about $2.29. On the 1 hour chart as well, I'm sure we're quite overbought. Yeah, you can see we're trending towards overbought once again, which can be an early signal of a move back down or some consolidation to allow the indicators to come back down to a healthy section before pushing back up. Shout out to the Discord. We have members posting chart patterns, all types of goodies to stay ahead of the game in the crypto market. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, recently added XRP, and buy and take profit zones that are updated regularly if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. Price of a coffee, you really can't beat it. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.